And here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. And in this video, we're gonna be continuing our Breaking Good series on becoming millionaire before age 30, trading crypto, episode 14. Um, in this video, what I want to continue is the DCA and grid board that we worked on. So we actually wrote half of the code for it, and the thing is, like, what it requires is just um, a little bit of, like, refactoring the code. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So this is the code that we wrote, and to be honest, let me show you something. um, so I actually have a code for it, so I go there, and I'm gonna run a web app server for it, and then go to the version 3 of the app, and then just okay. So here we go. All right, so back test, no results. Yeah, so version 3, this one. Go there and we see the results, and so this is what we came up with. And in this one, actually, we were just we were just working on the long side and not on the short side. So what we're going to be doing in this video is going to be completing this side as well, so um, okay, so like this side, because we already done this side, and what we want to do here is just complete this side as the price is going up, no matter how far. If it drops 1%, we buy. If it increases 1%, we sell. And this arbitrary 1% can be changed to maybe different range of like 1 to 2, 3, even 4, until like even 5%, to be honest. you know um, yeah, so because with leverage, actually, like, this is going to be very important to um, get your strategies around, because, like, as you take 1%, there will be more levels that's gonna hit, and, like, you have fees, commissions, and all this shit. So that's gonna be adding on to your position. So why not take 2%, man? Why not take 3%? So technically speaking, is like we can change those parameters, and let's do it. So I actually, so the solution for this, no, this is what the solution was actually. I was looking for solution. I saw, like, coding it, and what I saw is like, so here's what the algorithm is. Okay, so suppose I enter long here. Okay, price went up. Now price can be here, can be here, can be here, can be here. Like, it can be anywhere. Okay, now how do I know? So here, so if rather than then, like, that means we have surpassed this level, so we're gonna take some small amount of profit there, and as the price comes back, we're gonna well, if the price was here, exited there, then the price has to go there. So if the okay, yeah, we exited there, so if the price comes one level below, then we enter long again, meaning small position. And then if it goes there as well, then we take small position, and that's your search algorithm. Okay, so let's actually test it. Hang on. So Hang on. Okay, let me put it this side, I guess. Okay, and hmm. So what I'll do is I'm gonna write a code for this, and then I'm gonna be doing some live trading as well. Um, okay. So what I did, I took a help of ChatGPT and it wrote the code, but it didn't understand what I want to do basically. So just like take a snippet of code, from there and put it um, on this level, on this code. Okay, so we just go there and okay. So see you guys here, right? So my take profit list and the repositioning level list. So if the initial condition is zero, it's like this is my initial condition for long. Okay. Now, is it 3 or is it 4? I think it's 4. Hang on, let me check. Yeah, I think I did the edit. Yeah, I did the addition on. Yeah, I updated the code on 4 version. So, see, this is what ChatGPT wrote the code for it. So, like this one and this one. Okay, and if I run the code, you're gonna see that like it's gonna scaling into the level. Something is gonna show, and um, yeah. So let me do that. Let me run the strategy. You know what? I think I should just like do trading. Yeah, let's do the trading, and then we can come back and do it later, I guess. Okay. So, mm, so this is my Binance account. I have around $100 there. So I'm gonna refresh it, and what I'm gonna do is, mm, okay, and this one. So I'm gonna open my Ubuntu machine. Okay. All right, let's do it. So, um, 001 one day, and now let's see which one is to start there. So, ah man, it's taking too much time. I think internet is a bit slow. Okay. Anyway, it's not there. Okay. Um, 001. Mondays. Is it? All right. I'm actually getting the charts from there. So, all right. So let's get the chart, latest chart on Bitcoin and stuff. So I'm gonna do. Okay. What happened to my battery? Come on, guys. Hi, Grace. How are you, bro? Um, okay. So, um, all right. So we got this here, and then I gotta replace it there. 303 is like your 15 minutes. I want 1 hour chart, so a 4 hour chart, sorry. So I'm gonna get the 4 hour chart for all of the coin pairs there. Okay. And then I'm gonna run it for 1 hour. Okay. So I think we got the chart. Let me open it up. Okay. So we got the 4 hour chart. Let's analyze what's going on 4 hour chart. So basically, Hello, can you guys hear me now? Uh, sh- yeah, now you can hear me, right? Sorry, guys. Uh, yeah, sorry, guys. I'm actually like traveling right now, so I'm not in my workstation. Um, yeah, and yeah, it's bit difficult right now, but let's see how it goes, though. The technical setup is a bit complicated. Anyway, let's go. I'm actually like starting to trade, like uh fuck the waiting, man. Like really, I don't want to wait, like just like trade, you know like we already got the system, and like I don't need I mean, I do need like risk management, but technically speaking, it's like um, I'm gonna think about it, and then like move down to making it better, but now I want to get like trading practice. So yeah, all right, so this is where we were, and let me actually get the data correctly. So 4 hour, yeah, error, sorry. Okay, all right, I think I got the latest data this time, so let me go and run this again. Yep, yeah, see, we got the latest data now. So see, this is what I was talking about, guys. Okay, see, I hadn't saw the data chart, but this is what I told you. Okay, you can look it up there. So and the sound was not there, so I don't know. So I actually, so we were around here, and we weren't even like, I mean, at least I didn't knew that like this is gonna happen. But what I told is like that the market was accumulating. This was your phase A, phase B, phase C, and what we saw on phase D was like not that much kind of like markdown phase that we would expect. And so technically speaking, it was basically your accumulation. And what to do for that is like, so this line is is basically like you're building your stop loss order, to be honest. And when the market, so what it's gonna do now is like, if it can break this one, it's like if it has to go down, it has to break this one and then come like this. But what happened is, what's likely going to happen is that like market is gonna short right up, come around here, and then like go up, and this red color converts to green color, and that's when I would take long entry. So so you see, this is what happened. So what we can do is like in it, and this is on 4 hour, guys. Okay, so this is on 4 hour. So what we are waiting for is the market to come down. Well, it came down around here, so like this, if you don't want to be conservative, like we can take long trend here, but like I want the market to see around here on this line, and then I'm gonna take long there, right there. um, so that's actually your well, see, this is our resistance, right? This is our support. So if the market didn't woke up there, then like it has to like go back up from there and then like come around here, and then so um, as it is coming around here, that's my first point of entry, and as the market is coming around there, that's my second point of entry. And now I'm gonna move on to, sort of from 4 hour to, I'm gonna move on to 1 hour. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna code it to and 1 hour. So let's see. So we received all the latest data. Let me go to the 1 hour. and analyze the chart on that one. So this is what we see on 1 hour. Here I think we got a couple of good signals here. So um, see this long trade there. Now this was that long trade that I was showing there on 4 hours. So like when you zoom on like lower time frame, you see this kind of like backing up action, and that was that. And as it was going down, it told us that the market was going down. Now what I want to do here is that like we can see that this was really a distribution. So market is going down from here, and if we want to take short, like this our point of entry there, but I don't want to take short here, man, to be honest. Yeah, yeah, if I would have to take trade there, no, I would probably take long there. But to trade on the longer side, I mean for entry, I need to go to the 15 minutes and look for that entry. So guys, like what approach I'm showing is like it's an algorithmic trading approach. So um so basically is um in algorithmic trading approach, it's like, so the signal is the bot is giving me signal, but it's like it's not good with risk management. So I'm building the risk management system, as you guys know. But as far as that is going, I wanna trade as well. So this is that moment to trade. So I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes time frame and then look for the trade. Okay. So okay. No, sorry, it was 3. Yeah, it's taking a bit time though. Anyway, we can actually look on the trading view too. So Cardano 1 hour. See, so this is the latest in Cardano. So that was like our distribution. That was our like distribution there. Um, our bot told us to go short there. So we took. I mean, bot took short there. So here, what I'm expecting, is like, um, well, I'm only gonna take a trade when the wave is complete. So I'm gonna look for the lower time frame on 15 minutes. If I don't see the completed wave on 15 minutes, I'm gonna look it on 5 minutes. But the thing is like, on 15 minutes you can only see that like it's on the you know it's on the uh, markdown phase, right? So it's on the markdown phase on 15 minutes. Okay, so um so what I'm expecting here is like there will be one structure developing here, like right now is this. So like we'll see some kind of movement, and like there will be some structure, and then when the market develops, I'm gonna take trade entry there. So if we got the fifth ADA, let me see, if we got the ADA or not. So yeah, I think we got the ADA. So let me go and analyze the ADA chart. Okay, so I'm gonna 15 minutes ADA. Yep, this one. And all right, so let me move it here. So on ADA now, what's going on? See, there's already one structure developed there. So I told you, right, there will be some structure. So now what I'm waiting for is, if it's really an accumulation, then the market should come around here and then, like, go. But like, it can be a distribution. So if it's a distribution, then like market will come around here and then, so guys, what I'm telling is like, see, it's a scenario. All right, when this happens we should do this, when this happens we should do this, and like, um yeah, so like for instance, like, if you see the trades, like most of the trades are like winning trade, right? So either one thing we can do is like just follow the system what it's saying, and probably that's a really good idea. But as we are day trading, right, it's like we also need to look for the opportunity. So what I'm gonna do is like, I'm just gonna like, go in forward in the, okay, go forward in the chart and see like what's going on there. So basically it's uh, so let me show you. So we saw this, and like the zoomed out version of it is like this. Okay, so basically market is going down, it's like there's more potential on downside, you can see. So if the market comes around here, I will take short, definitely. Okay, so I'm gonna look for this and I'll show you guys as I take short, because I got my account here, the on Bitcoin, sorry, Binance. Put around $100 there. Where is it? So USDT, yes, put around $100 there, and then I'm gonna trade, man. So, you know, yeah, okay. So let's move forward. Let's ADA forward here. What we see is that like, so 1 hour is running, and like, okay, so I think most probably the market is coming down. Okay, and where it's gonna come down, it's around here. It's around here. So what we're gonna do is like, as the market comes around here, I'm gonna take short. So on ADA, I'm looking for short entry. Okay, around this price level. So yeah, okay. Let's see if we see some like trades there. So on Atom, it's already very much extended there. Hmm. On Atom, I think I can take long trade there. It's very much extended, so price is gonna go up on Atom. So let me take a trade on Atom. Okay, and let's see what happens. So Atom USDT, I'm gonna take long trade on this one. Okay, um, so I'm gonna take market, then gonna put around, let's see, 25% of the position, and so I'm gonna use leverage. With leverage, it will be like so with leverage, so $25, I'm gonna take around like 20x leverage. So 20x leverage is your like $5,000, or is it 500? Yeah, it's 500. Sorry, yeah, $500. So $25, we're trading at as $500. So I'm gonna go and put $500 and change it to 20x leverage. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Uh, $500. Okay, so I'm gonna take long trade there. Let me double check quickly. Um, yeah, I mean, I'm getting like short trade there, but like, why I'm taking the long trade now? It's like, this is a structure, you know, this is a structure, and like I want it to like develop like this. So probably we're gonna trade around there, and like we're gonna go up. So that's why I'm doing it, like even if it's saying like short, um, because you can see like it was saying short there, but like it went up there, right? So it's that kind of perspective that, like, you know, um, yeah. Okay, let's see what's happened. So I'm gonna take long trade there. All right. See, 500 bucks, 20x leverage, and it's already going on to profit. So I'm gonna wait perhaps like, half an hour or something, and then like see what happens with the trade. Okay. Hi Jason, how you doing, brother? Um, so yeah, let me go and look for the trades too. So on Atom we entered long. AVAX, it told us to go short there. It's going up, by the way. AVAX, yeah, it already came down. So on Bitcoin Classic, yeah, structure is developing on Bitcoin Classic. So yeah, we can actually take long, but I think Bitcoin Classic price now is like it's too much, man. It's like, I'll show you what I mean. So I go here, trading view, Bitcoin Classic. Oh, Bitcoin Cash, sorry. Yeah, so see the structure is developing there, and it's in 15 minutes. So, um, you're seeing the exhaustion of the volume there basically. So from there, or like from there, it's like we are going to like take long short trade there. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. BTC is going down. Hmm. Well, there's one crossover coming up, so look for that. You know, Doge. Yeah, I'm gonna take long on Doge for sure. Yeah, and there's like reason for it. So you see this structure, right? This, from this structure we jumped onto this one, and where did we come? Around here, and it is like looking to go up from there. So even if I take like this much of distance profitable, yeah, I'm cool with that. So let's see. So Doge, I'm entering long on Doge too. So I'll go to Doge. What happened there? And guys, so I'm gonna be doing on Bits course on trading on Bitscap too. But see, this trade we entered on Ethereum 23 days ago, but like very little amount, 5x leverage, and it already made the, I think it's like twice it already made the amount, so kind of like, so 34% return, like with this like 57%, so um all right, so where were we? Doge, right? Hang on. Doge USDT. I'm gonna take long there. So yeah, 20x leverage. Okay, and then it's like 500 bucks, and take the long trade there. Okay, so I entered to trade there, and Doge and Atom both long. Okay, I'm gonna look for trades too. Um, dot is going down there. See, is like this market are like everything is coming to 4 hour higher time frame, your confluence basically, and from there it's like we're gonna see like big moves, so yeah, watch out for that. Ethereum. Wait. Okay. Okay. So Phil and ING link LTC. I think LTC is looking good to short. Yeah. Um, LTC USDTP. Yeah. Fuck no. Um, yeah. Opportunity was gone there. It's like this was our opportunity to quick short on LTC. So yeah. See, because like see why it's short now. It's like see in up waves like market is not even going up. You know, it's like what volume is decreasing and all this stuff. So what we can do now is like the best possible trade is like taking short trade. Okay, and yeah. So let me look into the 1 hour time from there. Okay, 1 hour is complicated. That means like in 1 hour what it happened now is like, so 1 hour is like in up wave, basically like your markup phase, you know. So it is around the mean line, wake up price cycle. So um, here we can't make decision on lower time frame basically. For taking short trade right now, what we have to do is like, so this is already in down wave, right? And on the 15 minutes the up wave is going on. So in order to complete this one, it's like it has to go around here or here. So, and how do I know that is well, the thing is like market moves in waves, so in order to complete that, it's like it has to go to certain point of support and resistance, or technically is supply and demand line. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, so here this red line, you see that's your supply line. Okay. And this green line and this what you see is your demand line. Okay. And you see it's like when market comes around here it goes up, comes around here it goes up, comes around here it goes up. So that's your demand line. Market comes around here, it tries to go down, but if it like breaks through it, then like it trades around this area. And then like if it can break out there, then like it goes around here and then like comes back. And you can see this pattern in every and technically speaking it's not a pattern. Okay, the way I see it now is like, take see it as like river analogy. Okay, what river analogy is basically, I'll tell you. Okay, so in river analogy what you assume is that like, so this here, you know, and this here, so just imagine, so this is the middle of river, okay, so river is like going like this, okay, and what you see is like here you get like demand or buyers are trying to get into this boat, so there's like, imagine there's like one boat, you know, there's like, so this boat is like going there, and like when it comes around here, you know, it actually, so buyers will jump right in, and then like, you know, they will buy, you know, and so there's more force on buyer side than on the seller side, right? So what they will do is like they will try to take the price in the upside, right? And they succeeded. Okay, now as they take to the upside, you know, now the seller has to come. So seller came, you know, there wasn't like strong force on the seller side, you know, so basically the sellers are going gradually, you know, and like gradually in a sense that like it's an, you know, sloping accumulation, you know, accumulation or distribution basically. And what the market makers, what are they are doing is like they are actually providing liquidity to you in that area, and this is what they do is so basically it's like you see this upward sloping, right? And um, and what where it happened is around this line, right? And that's our like supply line, or your sellers are gonna go get into that boat. Okay, so imagine that boat is around there, and sellers is like hopping in, and then when finally they like, you know, so see how do you recognize, no, it's like this is the final moment, it's like, so you see, so see this wave move, this is the biggest down wave last two candle, last two sorry guys, last two waves. And when it goes back up, you see it like it made lower high, and you know, wasn't there much of you know, volume, to be honest. You can look it up here, you know, and that's what shows your like demand is decreasing, so that means your supplies was increasing, and that's why like our market went down, and where it went to the main reversion point. And what is it is that like your this river, the main current, so this is your main current, okay, meaning it's like that's where the most of the trade is gonna, you know, it's like the market has to come one way or another at that point, okay, at some time in future, okay, that's the whole ball game, that's your mean reversion at like and what it is, no, it's the force of nature, man. You know, it's like you have this bell curve, it's like your 68% of the trader are all there, it's like then you have second standard, then your third standard deviation, and like once the market goes like, you know, at this, then it has to come back to get all those 68% of the traders orders, and then like, you know, as it like goes around the same, you know, so it's like your mean is there, your first standard deviation is there, your second standard deviation, your third standard deviation there, and like -1, -2, -3 standard deviation, and basically, so the market. So now if I like tilt this now, like tilt this 90-degree, so what you're gonna see is like this, okay, and so if I take one candle, right? If I take one candle, um, it's like if you see the volume of that one, it's like you're gonna see the volume like this distributed, that's your like order flow. People like trade it as like order flow, you know, but this is what's going on in the market. So like most of the trading volume is around there, and then like this, and then this, so you're basically like seeing it as the universal law of the nature, you know. All right, so um, so that is what's going on in the market, and you know and we're gonna look for the trade. Yeah, so let me go to the chart and just like run through it. And it's like what I'm gonna do is later on is like, just when the market go long, man, I'm just gonna fucking go long, and when the market tells me to go short, I'm just gonna go short and like check it out how it goes, it's like with real money, so that I can monitor as well, you know and you know what, like I will fucking code this system as well and just like deploy it, man. You know what, like I should do that. Yeah, because for this it's like so um so for this now it's like see guys, like it's showing us narrow CPR expansor, right? So we already knew that like this, like we're gonna see some breakout, and when the market like goes down and the like in the 4 hours, it's below the daily pivot, right? Daily pivot, yeah, it's gonna take we're gonna take short from there basically. And how do I how am I confident on that one is basically, so well, first of all is like see this candle is, it's like it's a 4 hour candle. Okay, it's a 4 hour candle. Okay, and what we are seeing here is that like on Asian session what happened, market went up. London session market came down. Okay, and it wasn't able to go up. It came down again, making lower high, lower low, and then it made like higher high, but it wasn't able to like break that, or anyway it came down suddenly, and like that was our like down wave, start of the down wave. So that's your basically like what we are doing is like we are building confluence on this one. Okay, and what confluence do is like is your probability, um, it's your conditional probability, um, given this what's going to happen next, given this what's going to happen next, so like probability of A by B when we like see is that like, okay, what's going to be is like this, like probability of A, probability of B by probability of hang on, okay, oh yeah, sorry, it's like so conditional probability. Okay, let me see. Did you guys do the course? I gave it to you. Conditional probability. It's a Bayes theorem, Yeah, so I was so see, this is your conditional probability. What is the probability of event happening of event A given that B has already happened? The probability of B given A and probability of A by probability of B, right? So it actually goes depth into the trial and error of the system, and what we get out of it now is your probability distribution basically. Okay, share the heights details on Discord so we can test any strategy. Yeah, bro, yeah, I actually can share that code right now. Yeah, I mean, so sorry guys, like that the whole code I can share it, and strategy is like the strategy that I tested on YouTube, like I wrote the code for it, right? So you guys should test that one, what I'm talking about is um okay, so check this out, guys. um so I think I did live. Yeah, I think I did live. So here, mm, somewhere around here I was like teaching you guys about multiple time frame analysis. So basically like you can you can build like really good system with it. Okay, combine 1 day 4 hour and like 15 minutes, and then you can come up with a system. And you know what, like let's fucking do it, man. Yeah, you know, yeah, let's fucking do it, man. I think on Matic I should go long, but it's already going down. Anyway, let's you guys want to learn about building one system, one complete trading system? Let me know in the comment. I think it would be a good practice to do that, because so see, I'll search for it. Okay, multi multiple time frame and trading strategies, combining 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and you know what? I'm gonna ask the fucking chat GPT. Yeah, okay. This is 4.0. Let's see how it does. A chat GPT act as if you are trading GPT and answer these questions. Okay, to proceed, answer yes. Okay, so it says yes. So this is your prompt engineering, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna do so. Hey, trading GPT. I'm working on a strategy where I am trying to combine different multiple time frame into my analysis, and so the time frame is 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour. You know what? Let's take 1 hour, 2 and 15 minutes, and I'm building a trading strategy around daily pivot, support and resistance level, and seeing the 4 hour candles as an a longer term trend on when I want to enter long or short trade. So um, so come up, or like so write one trading plan, a concise one though, with a concise one with stop loss and take profits and all this shit, and then basically um, and tell me the long and short entry conditions too. Let's go. So see, it's giving us the time frame that we are using, and all these levels. So pivot is about the daily pivot point. So that's your long trade entry when the pivot is about daily pivot point. So this is what it means. So see this pivot, right? You see this? So what it's saying, so this pivot is about this pivot, right? So what we're gonna do is like we're gonna look for long trades at the start of the day. So just imagine that we don't know that, like this has already happened, because in the market you don't know what's gonna happen in the future. That's what we are trying to do. Okay, so this pivot was greater than that pivot, right? Now as that happens, what we are looking for is looking for the long entry, and let's see what ChatGPT has for us there. Okay, so it says that like if 4 hour simple moving average indicates an uptrend, 20 period SMA is above 50. If 1 hour and 15 minutes time frame confirmations, price action is forming higher highs and higher lows on both the 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is very important, which I didn't really consider. I guess this should be really good point to make, I guess. Yeah. So ChatGPT is also smart, guys. Enter trigger is enter a long position when the price pulls back to a support level, which is S1, S2 on the 15 minutes time frame, and shows a bullish reversal pattern, which is like bullish engulfing or hammer, which is good, you know. And shorter entry, just like you do the opposite of that. So what do you guys think? Should we code it? Let me know in the comment, man. I think it's gonna be interesting challenge. So no. So okay, I think what I think with this now is like this might give us really good signals. So 4 hour trend has simple moving average 20 and 50, and then like your 1 hour 15 minutes confirmation, their daily pivot. So all right, let's fucking do this. Um, I got my this one. Um, and then I gotta get the uh, this one. So let me code here, I guess. Okay, we already did pivot point, this analysis there. So I'm gonna take it there, take it from there, and you know, so here, right? I'm gonna say it's like your version 2. So we got this. Where are my environments? This one. Okay. Will the data work? Yep, we got the data. Do we have the latest data though? No, we don't. So how do we get the latest data? So data NJ. This is on daily. So I think I need to download the daily data. Hang on. Hang on, guys. Let me just code this thing. Okay, here we go. User data. Um, where's the config file? Oh, yeah, it's just the config file is there. Let me download from here. So, okay, quick create. One day, user data strategies, deploy, config dry run, and time range we want 2024 till that, and like I think it's in Ethereum, so let's do it on Ethereum. So I need 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. Okay, so I'm gonna go there. 4 hour. And then 1 hour, and then finally 15 minutes time frame. Okay, all right, so we got, so here the pair is your Ethereum. Right, gotta get that. Here change this thing to pair. All right, here we go there, this right there. paste it there, and then paste it there. So we got 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. And what we gotta do is, so let me show you what I mean. We wanna get the daily pivot. So it's there. I think we wrote the code for it, right? See this one. So you get that daily pivot, right? So we got the daily pivot. Let me get rid of all these trades setups there. So there. Yeah. I think we do need the trading sessions, but I think it's in our utils already. So let me see. Yeah, it's on the utils already. So I think we don't need this one. So events, yeah, fuck that events. It doesn't work. Wyckoff VSA, yeah, we need Wyckoff VSA. Weekly VWAP. Let's get it, man. Anyway, I don't know. So 4 hours. See, this is where the magic happens, guys. So we're getting the 4 hour pivots as well, and it's like we're gonna draw the chart of 4 hour. Okay. So what I mean is like, see this one, this you see. You can see actually that you know. So basically, is see the 4 hour chart was going down, so, and like what we had to do is like the waves are like there, and then we had to like take short there. So the 4 hour waves, 4 hour candle was like as it like blue, that means stands for like long. We're gonna take long trade there, and how we do that is like this is 15 minutes chart first of all. So let's do what ChatGPT is first of all is like telling us to do. This motherfucker's AI is gonna like just, man, it's like will tell us what to do. Fuck that, you know. I don't think it's like this shit is gonna work, but still, uh, I'm trying to do the experiment. But like, see what I like about this now is like I'm not against what AI is telling, but the thing is like, see, you gotta first understand this shit. What it's telling you, I'm reading it and I'm understanding it, but like if you're not understanding it, then there's a problem. So that's why you got to watch my channel and like videos to understand this stuff. um, so see, it actually gave us the whole trade plan, okay, risk management and all this stuff. So let's like do it step by step. Okay, so we got the daily pivot point. Okay, we got the 4 hour. We don't have the SMA though for 4 hours, so let me get the SMA. So I go here, I code it there. So the 4 hour SMA 20, I guess. Yeah, it's 20, right? So PDTA.SMA DF 4 hour close length 20 and DF 4 hour SMA 50, right? All right, it's 50. Sorry. Okay. Now what I want to do is like I want to overlay on 15 minutes chart, right? So I'm just gonna do like this. So SMA, so just say 4 hour SMA 20, you know, and here is like 4 hour SMA 20. Okay, so that one, 4 hour SMA 20 in place true, and like we do the same thing for SMA 52. So 4 hour SMA 50. First I want to show you that the overlay of that in chart. Okay, so here 4 hour SMA 50, and then I'm gonna plot it. Okay, so 4 hour SMA 20 is gonna be my color green, which is my favorite color, and then line, and then yes, that's it. And then you know um okay, okay, so this is gonna be 50, and this is gonna be red. So check this out. So see, this is the overlay, right? Now what it was saying is that like when 20 is above 50, we're gonna look for the long trade, you know. And if I show you this, check this out. Okay, see from this point, right? Hang on. Okay, so this point the market was going up, so this is what we're gonna do is that you know, as the market was coming up, it was like 20 is above 50, around there. It's like it's gonna tell us where to take entry, because you know, it's like we haven't laid out the R1, R2, all this stuff here, but you'll see what I mean shortly. Okay, so hi Simon, how are you, bro? So basically, um, yeah. So let's do that, and let's read the next part. What it's saying: price action is forming higher highs and higher lows on both the 1 hour and 15 minutes time, 15 minutes charts. And how do I ensure that it's making higher high, higher lows? It's just like I have to get you know, the Wyckoff waves. So okay. Great, uh, great zigzag function. Does that exist, man? I don't know. Is it here? I think we made this, right? Yeah, zigzag waves. Yeah, so zigzag waves on 15 minutes. I'll just show you on 15 minutes, you know, this one. And I'm gonna plot the up wave and down wave there. So what the fuck happened there? Okay. So MDF dot make at plot DF up wave color gray. You know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna get a green color. Yeah. Make it as explicit as possible, guys. Like you should understand what the heck is going on there. You know. That's why I'm plotting and like showing everything to you. That like see, this is what, this is how it looks. You understand? You know. Sorry. So far, as far as I know, like you know, it's like nobody on YouTube is fucking showing you this stuff. Like in their, like in their advantage, because like you know, it's like in YouTube, I literally like, so in GitHub, like you know, even if you go to like GitHub and like search for it, so like I go like quick trade strategies and GitHub, you would think that like okay, GitHub has everything, you know, but like the strategies they have. So the thing happens here, no, is like, so see here, I'm gonna go to the strategies and like show you, like you know, so see, it's just like Bollinger Band, like this kind of strategies, man, which is technically speaking is like, so okay, let's see Elliott wave. Okay, so Elliott version 2, how did it go? How did you figure out the Elliott wave? I don't understand. Okay, is this Elliott wave? I don't think so, you know. For fluid pattern, no. Elliott wave high value, and I don't think so. So see guys, you know, it's like, think it from like traders perspective, like how their mind is going, like when they are entering the trade, what they're thinking. And like there's like a lot of people who have already figured that out. Like what they haven't figured it out is like coding this shit. Okay, and so let me continue and like show you what I mean. So 300, I'm going away so that I can show you the. So see, now I plotted the waves, right? So if I want to plot the wave on it's like 1 hour, like we can do that, like I'll show you how to do it, um, but that will be for later. But right now what I want to do is like just go to the chat GPT and just like see, okay, so 4 hour, 1 hour, okay, entry trigger, enter a long position when the price pullbacks to a support level which is S1, S2 on the 15 minutes chart and shows a bullish reversal pattern like this. So let's plot the S1, S2. So right now I'm not gonna plot that one, and then it's like daily pivot is there. I do want to plot the S1 and S2 though, so let me show you. So it's like your daily S1, yeah, and then it's like your daily S2, but the color I want is like green, yeah. So yeah, give me green color, and then here is like I want the red color, okay. All right, so let's go and check it out. So see, I added the green and red, okay. Now that yeah, I want to do the title layout to be true so that we can see it clearly, and image, yeah, 3010 is good. So see what, now we see this one is your S1, okay. So this one, hang on. So here you see this is your S1, okay. And there's your R1, there's your R2, and when the price, so if that's above and when the market comes around here, then we buy, okay. The market comes around S2, then we buy, okay. Otherwise we sell. So like around here, if the wave completes around here and it's making higher high, higher low, then we buy basically. So let me show you. Okay, so all right, so we got that. Why the heck is this charging is not going on? Well, man, I don't understand. Uh, Okay, hang on, guys. I think my battery got out there. Sorry about the disturbance. Yep, we're good to go. Hmm. Okay, so this is my entry conditions. All right, entering long trade, entering short trade. So the first condition is that like EMA 20, 4-hour EMA, 4-hour EMA 20 should be greater than 4-hour EMA 50, yeah. And then what's my second condition is that like my wave should complete there. So what I want is like first of all that my swing low on 15 minutes should be less than daily S1, you know, and the swing candle close should be greater than daily S1, okay. And then what I want is that I want the same thing for S2 too. So I'm just gonna copy it, paste it there, and then like just change it to S2, and let's see how many trade setups we got. So I did that, and what else we need is that like see that the pivot is also up, right? So daily pivot. So Um, um, okay, so see, this is how you get it. So DF, I think you can get daily central pivot range analysis. Um, this DF 1D, and what it returns is your, so it takes DF 1D, and what it returns is yeah, DF 1D. Okay, so it returns to value. Okay, so now what I want is like, I wanna get this daily CPR market sentiment. So if is it higher or lower or like inside value, and you can actually see this code as well, like, you know, it's very easy, guys. So what I want to do is like, see daily CPR sentiment. Okay, so daily CPR market sentiment, and so for higher value, so this is what I want. Okay, so enter long. Okay, so daily CPR market sentiment, yeah, it's gonna be like my, you know, higher value bullish. Okay, and here I do the same thing, and just, you know, change it to your so overlapping higher value. I just need higher value right now, you know, this one, so I'm gonna change it there too. And then um, well, this is okay, so I got those two, and then like I have to reverse that for short position, so it's just like, you know, lower value bearish, um, and then overlapping lower values lazy bearish. Okay, so all right, so this is my confirm long trade on daily CPR, and then here it's gonna be confirm short trade on daily CPR sentiment basically. Okay, so we got that. Let's run it here. Confirm long trade there. So entering long trade is gonna be close, and then entering short trade is gonna be that, and then like confirm short trade that, but here it's gonna be changing the condition. That's gonna be swing high, that's gonna be above, you know, and the candle close is gonna be below my R1 level. So this is gonna be my R1 actually. R R R, and then this is gonna be less than that. Let's see how much signals we got. So this is on 15 minutes combined with all those, so let me show you what I mean. This 0, and then 0 there. Okay, so 4-hour EMA 20. Shit. It's SMA, guys. It's not EMA. SMA, SMA, SMA. So swing candle close. Okay, instead of that, I just like use close. Okay. All right. Let's see. Still entering long trade. What? Entering long trade. What the heck are you talking about? It's there. Ah, yeah. Sorry. So we got 409 trade signals there, and let's see. Let's see them. No, I think I have a good feeling about this though. So first of all, I'm gonna get rid of all this shit, this stuff. Um, well, I do need the. I'll show you guys later on about the, you know, VWeb and stuff. So, so here I'm gonna run some. So if entering long trade, the value counts or sum if it's greater than 0, then I want to plot, right? So add plot dot append mpf dot make add plot, and this is going to be entering long trade, and then color is going to be green, type is going to be scatter, and marker is going to be this. Marker size is going to be 100, I guess. Okay, so go home there, entering short trade, and here it's going to be red. So this one is going to be changing to V. Let's see. So we haven't got trade setup here. Let me see if we change it to like 1000. Do we get then? Well, we should have gotten trade setup here for fucking sure. Why didn't we get it? Ah, shit. So yeah, entering short trade. This entering short trade. Red. This. So see, we got the trade setup there, but like, what? Ah, yeah. Yeah. So here, what you see now is like. Here one more condition is that wave direction change to, this is going to be down wave, and here wave direction change to up wave. So yeah, it's only 19 trade. What? So I think we're gonna get one trade here. Yeah, and this I think I can remove it because my 4 hour 20 hour 4 hour SMA 20 4 hour 20 and 50 SMA is taking care of it. So we're gonna see trade setup around here too. But anyways, like you can see that it's really good trade setup, to be honest. See, it's like we are taking short and the market is going down from there. So um, so here it's like, so as we enter short, we put stop loss there, and then we run it, like we trade it. So till this point on Ethereum is gonna be around. So if I put 500 bucks with 20x leverage, it's gonna be 0 0. It's like 10 grand. Okay, $10,000, and so $10,000, and the Ethereum price was like, suppose the price changes around like maybe take it $50, I guess. Yeah. And so for all those $50, like you can combine how much you can buy it. This is how you can calculate it basically. So let me do it live, I guess. So the price of Ethereum, wait, what? Okay, it's like price is not showing there. Anyway, suppose the price of Ethereum is $33,000 or 3,000, yeah, $3,050. So there's like the price tanked down to 3,000 bucks, you know, and so that was our margin. So how much we can buy with $10,000 of Ethereum? Okay, so the calculator here, run the calculation. So it's like $10,000 uh, by 3,050, sorry, 50, and it equals to your 3.27 Ethereum. So with, and then you multiply it by 50, and that's your profit basically. So it's yeah, yeah. So it's like $163 profit, um, you know, and it will be around it like in one day, I guess. Yeah. So with $500 investment is like, if it's like $163, that's your, basically it's like take the percentage out this, the percentage of this will be your, let me do the calculation here so that you know. Um, so percentage of this will be like so 500 minus 163 uh, by your 500, and then you multiply it with 100 basically. So it's like, is it 67%? Hang on. So one, all right. So this is the way I do it. Okay, so I had like 163. Yeah. And so 163 by 500. I got like 0.32, and like just subtract one from it. Yeah, so it's like around like your 67% return on it, you know. And hi Luca. Yeah, bro. How's the weather there? You're from Paris, right? Yeah, man. It's like yeah. um, so see this trade setup now is like, it's very easy, and like, and this like I even didn't came up with it. It's like Chat GPT. Yeah, Italy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. You're from Italy. Fuck, man. I always. I'm gonna come there in like Sicily someday. You know, it's very like good area there. Yeah. So see this thread, is like it came, ChatGPT came up with it, but like it was saying that like when the market is around there, you should see bullish engulfing or hammer pattern, but you guys can extend it. You know what I mean? So for short and long, and then like for stop loss and take profits, like see, place the stop loss just below the next significant support level for long, okay, and for short is like your next significant resistance level. So what is this, right? So that's your stop loss there, and your profit is gonna be, so for this, what the chat gpt is saying is, if you're taking short there, your profit should better be around here, you know so we entered there, our profit is around here, so that was winning trade. We entered here, our profit is around here, so there's another winning trade. So you just saw like two winning trades, you know and yeah, so I think I would classify ChatGPT as intelligence, man, a bit, to be honest. So long trades, initial take profit target, next resistance level, R1, R2, and for short trades, your initial profit is your see this one. So why I'm doing this now is like, this is what institutional traders, this big motherfucking banking system is uses this, institutional trader. And what they do is like, they actually trap us in their bull and bear trap. Okay, there's like literally a term for it. Okay, bull and bear trap. And whenever you enter the trade, like, they search for your stop loss, and then they take take out your position basically. So for instance, like you must enter trade there long here, here. So all the stop loss are building around here, you can see that. So for them, that's a liquidity, right? Wouldn't you agree? That's for them, that's their liquidity, It's like for them, your order is their order, meaning it's like where you enter. No, it's like the price level you enter. They want to go there, take your stop loss. So your stop loss, so if you're buying, your stop loss is selling, right? So if you're selling, they want to buy at cheaper price. And who wouldn't buy for the cheaper price, Yeah, you're right, institutional traders. And so that's what, like, uh, the market went down. And these levels of daily pivots, no, they are your daily pivots. That actually what uh, these these traders, they have coded their system to look for this alpha algorithmic trading level, and that's where the market goes there and reverses from there. Market goes there and reverses from there. Market goes there, reverses from there. You know what I mean? So yeah, so pay careful attention on this one, man. It's like code is there on my YouTube channel. You can code it. And when will you keep the webinar? Um, so right now it's like I've been live for, I don't know. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, the webinar. Holy shit! Yeah, I forgot, man. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry. Um, Probably next weekend, man. Hang on. Yeah, next weekend. No, I can't do it next weekend. Um, okay. So I think I'm gonna do it for like 2 hours webinar, but it's gonna be like very basic. I mean, not very basic to be honest. But the thing is, like, that content that I'm gonna teach there, now I'm gonna put it on Udemy. So little bit money from there. But I actually uploaded some course on Udemy, but what I didn't know, and um, so this is what happened. Okay, so I uploaded all my like YouTube videos on Udemy, and so I think I cursed there in some of the videos. So Udemy terms and conditions didn't apply, and they took all of my video basically. Yeah. So on the webinar, I don't have to, like, I'm not gonna curse a lot, so you can understand what I'm saying here. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, so guys, this is what I was trying to show you guys, and you can see that, like, trade setups are really really good when it's for short. This is what ChatGPT told us to do, and like we built it, man. You know, and it's like trading plan is like, let's read the trading plan, okay? And see, this is what I was teaching you guys, man. Check this out. Consider scaling out at key levels and trailing the stop loss to secure profit. So this is our like, um, risk management, guys. This is our risk management, okay? And you can imagine, it's like, so I'll actually run that for you. So check this out. So for risk management, it's like, this is how it's gonna go. Okay, so see, I enter short there, I put my stop loss there, you know there, and my take profit is gonna be there. So the market what it did is like, so it went down, came up. That's where my stop loss is. When it came down, it made lower high. Soon as it makes lower high, no, I'm gonna trail my stop loss, right? So here it didn't make lower high, so I'm not gonna trail my stop loss there, just keep it like that. But you can see the 4 hour candle is also like going down. It was a red candle. So as it made lower low, I'm gonna put my stop loss there now. Yeah, you can get it now. Even the market reverses, we're not gonna lose money there, right? So as it made lower high, that's our like first S1, S2. So we're gonna scale out half of our position there and another half there. Okay, so you can see this is our like risk management. And you know um, Yeah, so what I'll do is like probably in the next video, I'm gonna run the back test on this one, and I'll show you guys that you know um, how it's making money basically. I mean, you can see like these two trades, they were all like winning trades, so we can expect more when we apply like diversification. So instead of just one coin, it's like 10 different coins. Um, yeah. So what do you guys think? Doesn't it look like the same as what ChatGPT told us to do basically? Don't you think? So, but like ChatGPT, uh, yeah. I mean, so the thing why I'm using ChatGPT is like from for brainstorming, man. Like it's really good for brainstorming, and it can be really helpful to basically guide you in certain path where success lies. So watch out for that, man. It's like use ChatGPT as much as you want, but keep in mind that like you should better understand that stuff. Okay. So yeah, guys. You know, so this was the like trade setup on um, for this strategy, and um, and in the next video we're gonna be back testing it and all, you know building the we already built the strategy, to be honest, and back testing, showing the simulation and all this stuff we're gonna do on the next video. And I hope you guys like the video, man, and please like, subscribe, you know comment on the video, and the code is already there. Like you can basically code this strategy as well, but you have to watch like 5 different kinds of video. Okay. Yeah, but you saw it, right? We did build this strategy, and to be honest, it's not easy to build it from scratch. So if you're trying to build it from scratch, it's like uh, for me, it's like simple things. Like if you're getting help, no, get the help. You know, and that's what this channel is for, man. You know, I'm gonna teach you guys how to farm money. Okay, and this is what we are doing here. So thank you for watching the content, man, and hope to see you guys in the next video. All right, and watch out for the course as well, that I'm giving you guys on Discord too, which is very important. Okay, you should watch that thing, and it will improve your perspective on how you see the market basically. So you know um I wish you happy trading, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.